Hello, I'm Candy Sherwin. Thank you for being here. I have a great tutorial for you. This is a wonderful dance called Raise Like That. This is by Darren Bailey. It's 32 counts, Improver Intermediate. Goes to Song of the Same Name by James Johnston. It is 32 counts, 2 walls, and there is 1 restart during wall 8. So, here we go. Starting with your right foot, we're going to do a Dorothy. You're going to step out on an angle with your right foot. 1, and you lock step, 2, and. Take your left foot and do a couple of heel switches. Heel, step, heel, step. Take a Dorothy on the left. Out, back, and. We're going to do a forward right step and a half a pivot to your left, which will get you to 6 o'clock. So that 8th count with counts goes 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, turn 8. You end up weighted on your left foot at 6. We'll do that 8 one more time. Starting with your right leg at a slight diagonal, 7, 8. You have 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, turn 8. Now you're going to keep turning to your left on when you go to count 1 so that you end up at 3 o'clock. You're going to step to the side on your right foot on 1. Keep traveling to your right as you cross behind 2, and take your left foot over for a crossing shuffle, left, right, left. Take your right foot, side out, 5, recover, back, weave, back, side, touch. So I know that was a little complicated. We'll go over that again. I'm going to stay at this wall, and then I'll turn my back so you can see it. You'll never do it at that wall because of the 2-wall dance. It's always going to be either at 3 or 9. So you finished on your left foot on 8. You're going to continue following your left and step to 3 o'clock on your right foot. 1, and it's actually like a stomp. 1, cut behind, 2, and left foot over, cha, 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 side rock, 5, recover, 6, back, 7, and 8. So what that actually looks like is, just so you can see this would be 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And even though it's counted out as a shuffle, where it's 1, 2, and cha, 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 it almost feels like you're going 1, 2, and cross, and cross. It kind of has that same feeling because you're stepping out right before. Okay? Let's put those 2 8s together. Here we go. 6, 7, 8. You have 1, 2, heels 3, and 4, lock 5, 6, half turn, step right on 1, cross back, right, left, right, left, right, left, back, and tap. So you're here with that right foot free. You're going to do another step tap on and 1. So you stay here, you step on your right, tap your left, and 1. Left foot back to where you started, 12 o'clock, 2. Just take your right foot and you're going to follow your left shoulder and step back, 3. So you're back at 6 o'clock again. Take your left foot to a coaster, back, together, forward, and then take another step, and then take a left shuffle, left, right, left. So there's a step between the coaster and the shuffle. Okay? We are here, and we're going to step, and 1, left foot, 2, step back, half a turn, 3, coaster left, back and front, step right, shuffle left, right, left. So I'm going to turn and start this at 9 o'clock so that when I'm doing that last part, I'm traveling towards 12 so you can see it, okay? So I would still be stepping right, left, and 1, and 2, 3, let's do that again for me. Sorry about that. So you're here. You have, and 1, 2, follow your left shoulder, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. One more time at this wall. Step, touch, quarter, half, coaster, step, walk, cha, cha, cha. And that forward shuffle can be just a regular shuffle here, or you can lock it. The step sheet says shuffle, but when you watch Darren, the choreographer, do it, he locks it most of the time. So you can kind of play with what feels good on your body. Okay? From the top, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 with the heel and a 5, 6, half, turn, quarter, turn, step, right, back, right, left, side, rock, back, and tap, forward, back, coaster, step, walk, lock, shuffle. One more count of 8. I'll do it once at this wall and then I'll flip it. So we're already at our new wall, right, at 6 o'clock, so we know we got to come back here. You're going to do a rock recover on your right foot. You're going to go right, left, coaster step, back, together, forward. Step forward, follow your right shoulder, do a half a turn. Now you're going to do another half a turn, but what you're going to do is you're going to bring your left foot to your right as you turn. And then you're going to do a little snap. Okay? So that again is a rock recover. 1, 2, coaster 3 and 4. Forward 5, half, 6. You're on your right foot. 7, 8. Turn my back so you can see it. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5, half, 6. Keep going. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the whole thing, because there's no tag. There's a restart, but we don't need to worry about that. So let's go and do it a couple times all the way through. And you're going to hear in the music on the chorus, it gets really kind of upbeat. And what the choreographer says, and it feels really good, is when you get to that last beat, you're going to hear a couple places where you're going to feel like you want to go, hey, and add a little jump to it. And you can absolutely do that there. It feels really good. So from the top, right leg, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Again, 5, 6, half turn, side go 1, cut back, side over and over, go 5, 6, 7, and touch, forward, back, coaster, back and front, step, cha, cha, cha. Yeah, rock, recover, coaster, step, step left, step right, turn around and snap. Yeah? Here we go. This wall. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. 6, half turn. 8, side 1, 2, and 3, and 4, side 5. 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2. Back 3, coaster 4, and 5. Walk 6, 7, and 8. Rock recover. 2, coaster 3, and 4. Half turn, half bump. Cool? All right, now there is a restart that's going to happen during wall 8, which is when you're starting at 6 o'clock. You only dance 3 counts of 8 and you restart it. Not 2 8s, which is kind of what we're used to. 3 8s and you restart. So you'll be here because the count of 8 that you're going to be missing is the rock, recover, coaster, half, turn, snap. Because that's the 4th 8. You drop that and you restart it. Okay? And again, that's going to happen during the 8th wall, which will be towards the back. Okay? So we're going to give this a little practice with music. And let's do it. On 5, 6, 7, here we go. 1, heels. Pivot. Step out and over and tap. Step back, coaster coaster walk, shuffle, rock recover. Half turn. Go side. Get ready. Side. Rock it out. Coaster. Up. Here we go. Take it out. Starting again. Oops, sorry, messed that up a little bit. Wall 8. One more 8. Here we go, start again. 1. Raised like that. I love that song. Just, it's happy, makes me feel good. I hope that you guys enjoyed that. And I also hope that if you haven't subscribed that you will, and you will pass the word. Please feel free, I'm winded. Please feel free to share the video. I really appreciate that. Leave comments, anything like that would be so great, like it. And I am teaching regularly at the BL Dance Hall and Saloon, out in Agoura Hills, right out here in California, Los Angeles area. I hope to see you on the dance floor. Thanks for watching.